One question that the employer tend to ask during the interview is, what are your career goals? This question comes in various other forms, like which are your short-term goals, which are your long-term goals, or where you want to see yourself after 3 years, or where you want to see yourself after 5 years. This question is asked to know more about you and your intention to apply for this job. And this question gives you the perfect opportunities to show that your goal and values are aligned with that of the business. And how do you answer this question? That we are going to see in this video. Hey everyone, welcome back once again. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to answer the question, what are your goals, what are your career goals, where you want to see yourself after 3 years, or where you want to see yourself after 5 years. Make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, please do hit on the subscription and bell icon. And if you have further queries, please feel free to comment them in the comment section. When you're answering this question, make sure that you're focusing on the key achievable objectives and what efforts you are taking to reach to those objectives. By the end of this video, you will understand 3 key points which you will have to consider when you are answering to this question, and you will also find some examples which you can use them with customization. Point number 1 is think about your career goals. Before the interview, you will have to identify which are your career goals and what skills you are gaining, what efforts you are taking to reach out to those goals. When you're answering to this question, make sure that you are mentioning about your short-term goals and your long-term goals, and how to answer to this question. You will have to use a method called as SMART method. SMART goal method stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. While specifying your career goals, make sure to narrate the focus of your goal. Choose a goal that will directly benefit your career. In the measurable, think of how you will measure the progress and success of your goal. In attainable, pick a goal that is realistic enough for you to reach. Keep your resources and abilities in mind. In relevant, when picking career goal, make sure they align with your values and personal aspirations. And last one is time-based. Create a timeline for all of your goals. Decide when you want to accomplish them. Point number 2 is learn more about the company and the role. While studying about the company and its role, make sure that what role the company is actually looking for, and try to mention those points when you're answering about attainable goals and short-term and long-term goals. Point number 3, share a mix of general and specific goals. While talking about the general and specific goals, you can mention a general skills which are needed to a particular job profile. And the second one, when you're talking about the specific goal, like let's say for example, if company is looking for a digital marketing trainer, you can mention that you have gone through certain modules and want to do a further studies into it. Probably company can look into it. Here are a couple of examples for you. Number 1 is for the fresher and number 2 is for the experienced candidate. If you are a fresher candidate, then this example is for you. You can use it with customization. I want to lead a digital marketing campaign. I know that in a junior role like this, my responsibility is to offer value while following the orders. I think that by proving my worth in this position, I could eventually move on to a role that has more management responsibilities. Through my creative skills, I know I can show that I have what it takes to create and execute a digital marketing campaign. And if you are an experienced person, then you can use this example with customization. My goal is to eventually become a marketing director. In order to reach this long-term goal, I want to continue to develop my leadership and people skill. I think that it's important for me to spend a considerable amount of time in a marketing executive role so I can get a solid foundation while working on my leadership and people skill. I see that your company encourages employees' growth. I would love to prove my value at this company and then partake in some of these opportunities. Hopefully, I could work my way up and be an admirable leader. If you are a fresher candidate or if you are an experienced candidate, you can customize your answer by referring to these examples. I'm sure you must have found this video informative. If so, then please hit on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. The next video will be based on why are you looking for a job change. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, this is Sandeep. signing off. Thank you for your time.